A swarm of honeybees. They came from that hive just there. It's the second one in as many weeks. But where are they off to? Let's follow them. Bees normally move at about walking pace across the land, and we'll be able to follow them as long as they don't lead me over a hedge or up a tree, which has happened before. They've been settled on that maple tree there since earlier this afternoon. I just happened to have come back from work at the exact time they decided to move on. Fortunate that. They're swirling all around me, tens of thousands of honeybees. The sound and the scent is quite incredible. I'm a little nervous that they'll get stuck in my hair. This is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Although it's happened to me 6 times now. It's like, well, not it's like, I live on a bee superhighway here. I can't tell yet which way they're moving. I'm not even sure if they are moving, but they must have had a reason to all move up in the air like that. They know where they're going. I've got to go out in about 5 minutes. I hope they start moving so I've got time to follow them. I'm giving a talk this evening in a place called Easton-in-Gordano, very near Gordano Services on the M5. It's about perennial vegetables. And I've got a little memory stick in my pocket on which I have about 100 photographs of the different perennial vegetables that have grown in the garden here over the past 13 years. My brother lent that to me because all my 3 memory sticks have gone missing. I think something's eating them. Oh, the bees are moving over that way, look. Look how golden yonder meadow is. Oh, I thought there's a spot of rain in the air then. Maybe a bee just defecated in my face. No, that is water. Where's it coming from? Ah, there's water coming from the sky. Rain. There's blue sky all around, but a rain cloud directly over my head. Oh, metaphor for life. Where are they going? They're going this way, to the southeast corner, towards the fairy portal and the pond. Have you seen my purple loosestrife? Oh, there's a rogue buddleia amongst the willow. Oh, now one's landed on my hand. Hello. Go and join your sisters. Go on. Well, this is less than walking pace. I know they're going beyond the garden. Look, they're going up into that oak tree up there. I don't know if they're going up there to live or just to settle until they move on again. Oh, I've got my going to a talk clothes on, not my gardening clothes for once, and oh, this fence is rotten. Ah, can't go over it, gotta go under it. We're all going on a bee hunt. Well, they're definitely going beyond the homestead. It's amazing. But where? They're going, right to the top of that oak tree. Look. No, they're going to the ash tree. Oak or ash will both have very deep roots, which is indicative of the water table being very close at hand. Both ash trees and oak trees grow on water lines, which bees love. Bees love underground flowing water. I'm not sure anyone knows why. Do you? Oh, I spoke too long, lost them. Okay, they gone. They gone. Well, that was a fun 7-minute video. What's the time? 5 o'clock. Okay, I'm late. Bye. Oh, and I left the tap running. Oh dear. Just as well it's spring water, and it's not being wasted because it would flow down to the river anyway. Can't stop talking, can I? Then I suppose that's why you're here, to listen to me. Okay, bye.